Quick video on how to change the rotor. Get the one with the wheel hub bearing already in it. You'll have a 36mm socket right here. After you take out the cotter pin and the case cover, these are one-time use 295 foot-pounds when you tighten them back up. You have to take your caliper bracket off, 18mm, two of them back there. Hang your caliper up with a bungee cord. Just hang it up there out of the way. You'll have to compress your caliper back in, the pistons, when you put your new rotor or bearing on. This job's a lot easier than you would think for it being a truck. So once you have this 295 foot-pounds, you put that cover back on, and this. Also make sure your spindle, which the bearing rides on, make sure it's very clean. If you're having trouble getting it to slide on, use just a little bit of PB Blaster, kind of give it one or two hits with your palms and then it'll go on all the way. And that's pretty much all there is to it.